All right, 3865 Willie Mays and Ryan's Crossing. Across the street is nothing, all empty. Beautiful white limestone exterior. Beautiful turquoise door. 1849 square feet, 3-bedroom with an office. We'll start on your left, right when you come in the front door. Here's your bedroom. Bedroom number 1. This is about, I would say, 11 by 10. This is your closet. Just a typical rack space. Across there. Full bathroom. Spotless clean. Linen closet. Shelf, shelf, shelf. This room is a little bit bigger. This is probably maybe 11 by 11. And the same closet. Got the double windows, ceiling fans in every room. Going across. Here is the master. Or there's a little study office off the. This is the master, so this is the foyer, master, office. So there are double doors, full-size doors. This is a pretty big-sized room. I would say that this is maybe 12 by 11. And you got that window there. There's no closet in here, so more of an office. This is the primary bedroom. Beautiful. You got the vaulted ceiling in here. You got the window. You put your bed right there. There is no carpet in this property. All vinyl plank flooring. Expansive closet. Shelves. Shelves, shelves, shelves. And then here's another alternative angle. Ceiling fans again in every room. Here's your primary bathroom. You got a double vanity. Separate shower and a garden tub. Toilet. Got a little cabinet above there. Beautiful. Here we go. Across from here is the garage. Room for 2, she's parked in the middle, but room for 2. Got a little knick-knack shelf. And then here is the main living areas. You got a formal living dining combo, double fans. Vaulted ceiling through the whole space. Beautiful. Here's this angle. Beautiful. Those are lights up there, not skylights, but this would be your breakfast area. You got a little bay window there. This would be your living area, and then a dining room or formal living right next to it. So very huge open living space, open to the kitchen. Kitchen has high ceilings. Got a stylish laminate countertop. This is not quartz or anything, it's a laminate, but the sexiest laminate I've ever seen in my life, if I do not say so myself. Stainless steel appliances. Boom. Here's from that angle. From this angle. Got a subway tile backsplash. Refrigerator goes there. Washer, dryer, and refrigerator are not included. But this is the pantry, tons of shelves. And this is where your washer and dryer would go, right off of the kitchen. Beautiful. So we can go out here and take a look at the backyard. Last but not least, you got a covered patio, a little pano, moment of silence. That was me clicking my tongue, just for dramatic effect. This is a good sized yard. I mean, not too much, like, because you're gonna have to mow it. But this just means less to mow, right? I mean, beautiful. The roof here is not old. The HVAC, I think, is 2019. It is just a nice property. Most everything in the property is within the last like 2-3 years. So it is a great move-in ready property. Come and see today.